Be an eagle or be successor. Eagle is a bird who flying high. Eagle has sharp eyesight. When I talk about eagle, I mean successor in life. There are male and female eagle. The same applied in life. Success belongs to both man and woman. Eagle has the ability to fly higher than other birds. Also, hunting from the air, and has high skills for the hunting. The same applied to the successor. Should have skill enough for the success in life. Why we need success? Because we need to solve different problems. We need to live good. We need to make our life more easy. So be an eagle. As I said, eagle means successor. Be an eagle today.